Well, Magnolia
30.
slowly creating distance between themselves and Pure Foods as we enter this 30-second timeout. 96-89, under 5 minutes to go in the fourth and final quarter. That's the Pangasinan connection.
Now, we did mention those new guys, Mike Cortez, Mark Pingris. Maganda yung binigay nila para sa kanilang koponan. Really didn't try to overextend yung kanilang character dun sa team. Allowed the team to evolve through them.
14 points and 11 rebounds for Enrico Villanueva, keeping Pure Foods in the ball game with under 5 minutes to go.
The same can be said for Enrico Villanueva. Also a good showing on his first stint as a Giant.
Here's Raimundo. Nowhere to go. Over to James Yap. 4-3. Yes, there. 3 for James Yap. He has 15 points tonight. Just a 2-point ball game. Magnolia holding on to a 2-point lead with 3:52 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Here's Watkins. Watkins is double T. Calagio from the corner. 3 for Chris Calagio. All day to shoot para kay Chris Calagio because of the double team that Watkins attracted at the post. And alam natin, ito si Chris Calagio, paborito pa naman niya yung kanto pagdating sa 3-point shooting. Here's Kirby, up and under. Twice. Kirby really struggling tonight. Here's Siegel on the move. And Pingris will miss. Ball is up with Roger up. Takbo ng Pure Foods dito. Here's Rice. Cyrus Rice on the move. And he scores. A bit too athletic there for Jamil Watkins, and Rice now with 38 points.
Yeah, he did a good thing there. Inatake niya agad si Jamil Watkins. He has 4 fouls, talking about Jamil Watkins. And Darius Rice did the right thing by going straight to his chest.
Meantime, Watkins was fouled. It's against Nico Villanueva, who has 4 personal fouls. 2 free throws para kay Jamil Watkins, who's been in and out of the ball game because of foul trouble. Kasi baka nagtataka kayo, bakit 14 points pa lang ang naging score ng Magnolia. Practically did not play in the second quarter because he picked up his 3rd personal early on. Calagio will sit down. Don Rontiveros is back in the ball game para sa Magnolia.
So those are 2 key big free throws para sa Magnolia. Jamil Watkins making both of those to increase the lead of Magnolia back to 5.
Over to Saris Correa with his new team on a winning note. Same goes for Mark Pingris. Kumuha ng mabangis sa restaurant ang Pure Foods. And Magnolia hoping to have a strong comeback with the addition of Mark Pingris and Mike Cortez.
And here are the players involved in that raid, the Enrico Villanueva. He has a double-double, 14 and 11 para kay Mark Pingris. 10-4, usually he gets more rebounds than the 4th right there. Pero para kay Mark Pingris, playing less minutes compared to Enrico Villanueva, but all those minutes as well were very productive.
Here's James Yap. 15-footer. Yes, sir.
That's just an excellent play drawn up from the timeout. You draw up, you call a timeout with less than 4 minutes to go, you expect to score.
James Yap with 17 points tonight. Looks like we're going to have a wild wind-up here in the fourth quarter. Approaching the last 4 minutes of the ball game. Here's Pingris. Pingris outside. Siegel, no go. Mike Cortez with a defensive rebound. Bagong shot clock para sa Magnolia. Ito na ang outlast 2 minutes. Sa tip sa inyo ng outlast maintenance-free batteries. Walang dagdag bawas sa tubig. Altiveros! No go. Patigan ang bola. Ayan sa Roger. Yapin Darius Rice. Will take us through all along.
Nico, I told you, it doesn't matter if it's a fast break, we will shoot that 3-point shot.
One of 3. First break three-pointer by Darius Rice. And that the Empress ties the game at 7-1. Oh, check this out. 1 against 3. And he takes a 3. The guy was no conscience. No, wala pong pakialam. Ito si Darius Rice. And we're tied.
Ngayong Hunyo.
One thing for sure, you can't question the confidence of this guy. Wala siya kakulangan sa confidence. And he tied the game at 1-1 all. And so Magnolia, how will they respond? With a minute and 34 to go, Mike Cortez, 4-3, they go. And Rice is fouled. Pero wala pa sa penalty of Magnolia. Niya lang, that will be the first personal against Jamil Watkins. No, right. Extra Rice, please. Darius Rice. Of course, the scoring tapering off, but total of 41 points.
That big first quarter with those 18 points. And seemingly, napapagod na nga siya dahil bumababa yung scoring niya. But he hit the big shot to tie it at 101.
Let's see if Pure Foods can shatter the deadlock here. Remember, they trailed by as many as 14 points in this ball game. They're looking for James Yap against Ontiveros. That's a great matchup. Darius Rice, and he will probably do just one thing here. And that is... he passed the ball. But he was fouled. Yun din yung dinouble check ni Assistant Coach Bibe Ravanes with the officials table. And yun na nga, that is the clear explanation. And Darius Rice to give Pure Foods a 1-point lead, 102-101.
Remember, that first foul was the loose ball foul on Jamil Watkins. Tapos ito yung pangalawa. That's why he's shooting 2 free throws.
43 points for Darius Rice. And the Pure Foods fans has had a lot of rice today, especially that one. And be watching a thrilling finish here, no doubt. 2-point lead lamang ito para sa Pure Foods, 103-101. And Darius Rice, the proud owner of 43 big points. Ang tanong nilang dyan ay sulit ba yung 43 points na yan? As he tries to lead Pure Foods to victory.
Amigo, speaking of 43 points, it's actually Darius Rice's all-time scoring high in college. So he is built to score.
Bagay, sanay. Chamba yan. Bola na Magnolia down by 2. Here's Ontiveros. And Ontiveros has been red hot for Magnolia all game long. Here's Cortez, a new starting point guard for Magnolia. Cortez to Ontiveros! No! And Joseph gets the ball. Joseph on the ball. And Darius Rice with 45 points tonight. And no timeouts para sa Magnolia. They have to run this through. Here's Watkins. And inawakan siya ni Enrico Villanueva. On the court, teka muna. There's an offensive foul against Magnolia. And Darius Rice is here to celebrate, but just a 4-point lead for Pure Foods.
Still a lot of time, 41 seconds. The only problem para sa Magnolia is wala na silang mga timeout. That's why they have to get their plays on the fly.
Si Pugado pinawagan ng offensive foul kanina. So it's beginning to look like the Darius Rice will win over the Watkins Diet.
Naisip mo pa yun?
Watkins Diet? Jeta talaga si Watkins. He did not play practically the entire second quarter. Kaya yung tempo niya na diskaril. Kulang sa carbs pero sobra sa fouls. 31 seconds to go in the fourth and final quarter. And here's Watkins. May oras pa.
Yes, still a lot of time. Itong Magnolia should just be able to foul the right people. Problema dito sa ang Pure Foods, most of these guys, aside from Enrico Villanueva, are